at the start of the video. I have almost 6 SOL, and now I have 24 SOL in total. Is it not insane? This right here shows it clearly. By the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Look, the difference between a trader and a developer is simple. Trading is completely reactive. You sit on crypto Twitter, you wait for a celebrity or politician to post a memeable tweet, and then you jump onto a DEX trying to buy in early. But while you are doing that, you are playing player versus player against thousands of other traders and sniper bots. You have zero edge. But the developer is controlled. We see that same viral tweet, but instead of trying to buy low and sell high, we literally just launch the coin. We buy it first, let the retail traders ape in, and 2 minutes later, we sell into that liquidity and walk away with the profit. Every single time you have lost money on a coin, I guarantee you the developer made money from you. Cool. Let's get into it. Now, when a viral tweet drops, you literally have about 15 seconds to act. Most developers fail right here because they launch on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun is totally overloaded, the fee system works against you, and you need to hit around a $35,000 market cap just to migrate to Radium. By the time that happens, the hype is already dead. If you want to beat the other devs, you have to use launchmeme.fun. Every single coin you launch here skips the bonding curve completely and goes straight to Radium instantly. There are over 12,000 active traders on Radium waiting for the next narrative to drop. Here's the real alpha that separates the devs making $100 a month from the ones making $50,000. When a massive news event or a funny Elon Musk tweet happens, 95% of devs launch a boring basic coin with the exact same name. The top 5% of devs, they twist the tweak. They make it funny, they make it a character, they make it controversial. But here's the absolute cheat code. You don't even need to be the one to come up with the twist. On launchmeme.fun, we use the copy trending coins feature. This tracks the twisted viral narratives that are already blowing up with real buyers and lets you vamp them directly over to Radium before anyone else. You take a proven narrative and you own the Radium liquidity. Let's do this live. First things first, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected properly. Click on refresh, right? And then now look and scout for a coin to copy. Just choose one, okay? I'm gonna choose this coin. I chose it completely randomly. Click on copy to Radium. Your Phantom wallet will appear. Just make sure to ignore the block. This block is normal from Phantom. Every launchpad will get this at the beginning. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created right within a couple of seconds. It should load in soon. Boom, the token is successfully created. And if I go to SolScam, you can see it was minted on chain 14 seconds ago. So go back to the site and click create liquidity. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now, here's exactly how this page works. Once the Radium liquidity pool is created, the funds will go to Radium. It will show up in front of thousands of people right here in the migration section, and you will have a supply. It's that easy. Just follow along if you are not sure of what is happening. For the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop whatever 90% is for supply. For the amount of SOL right here, put anywhere from 0.3 SOL to 1 SOL. It's up to you. I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL right here, okay? You are not going to lose this amount. You will get this back at any given moment that you want, okay? Once you exit, it will come back, so it's not a big deal. Click on 3.8 pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on confirm, wait for a second, and bang. After that, the coin is live. People are now able to see your coin, ape in, buy in, everything, and your profits and losses are gonna show up right there. Now look guys, if you click the refresh button, as you can see, we're up 115 bucks in profits. This is a great sign for our copied coin. Now go to any trading terminal to view your coin. I use Photon. Let it load properly, and you can clearly see the volume coming in, lots of transactions happening, but launching is only half the battle. If nobody knows the coin exists, nobody buys. We are going straight to promote memes.fun. This gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your package. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for max reach. You can choose anything, just make sure you enable include free website. That part is very important. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Radium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with the black one and just click confirm. As you can see, our website preferences are saved and good to go. Now click pay and promote. Your wallet pops up again. Same process, ignore the warning, click confirm, and that's it, you're done. Now watch this. Within seconds, it builds a clean website and starts promoting your coin to thousands of traders. And boom, the website is ready. Open it, and you'll see a proper landing page with token details, tokenomics, and chart links. You can also add a token website link to your socials. Let's go over to Photon to view the chart. Oh my god, you guys can see that 3,000 market cap, 2,000 liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. The fuck, the chart is pumping. I cannot even talk right now. What the fuck? This is insane. We're already up like $1,000 if I had to guess. This is insane. This is exactly why I endorse deving so much. It's actually insane, bro. These are all retail traders. And if you get lucky, bro, someone could call out your coin in some big trading group, and that could make your coin go fucking bananas, but that is not likely, okay? We're already at a 2.5k liquidity. This should be like a 1.5k. We're already up like 1.5k if I had to guess. Now, I'm going to let this coin run for a tiny bit. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your profits, and I will show you how much we make. All right, guys, I am back. We're at a 6,000 market cap, 3,000 liquidity. Let's cash out. Come back to launchmeme.fun, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now. And as you can see, we are up $2,296 in profits. That is insane, in my opinion. Click on the minus button and make sure to click on a 100%, okay? You can do less if you want, if that's part of your strategy, but I would highly recommend 100%. Remove liquidity. Wait for your phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just devved a coin in front of you. And look, in my phantom wallet, yes, we received it, okay, as it should. 2 grands straight into my phantom wallet, bro, without fluff. Now, it's up to you to take action. Start deving right now, stop trading. Launchmeme.fun will be linked down below, or just go to Google. It's up to you. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord. It's really important to network with me or with others. See you in the next video. I'm giving away 1 soul to 10 selected winners to help cover early development expenses and kickstart their journey. How to enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment below.